Hello and welcome, Victor here from Crewe, and I'm delighted to present this mini hatch 2.0 John Cooper Works Steptronic. Finished in sleek black and powered by 2-liter petrol engine producing 231 PS paired with automatic transmission, this mini delivers dynamic driving experience. At the front, this mini sliding pack has a purposeful bonnet scoop, honeycomb grille and aerodynamic kit. LED headlights with the signature closed ring daytime running lights ensure great visibility, and upgraded 18-inch alloys add striking road presence. At the back, the car stands out with its John Cooper Works roof spoiler, Union Jack LED rear lights and dual central chrome exhaust. The boot offers practical space for a compact hatchback with handy tie-down points and split folding 60/40 rear seats to expand capacity. Inside the rear, the optional Dinamica-Leather carbon black upholstery brings upmarket and sporty feel. Passengers benefit from supportive seats, rear ISOFIX mounts and surprisingly roomy cabin for 3-door hot hatch. Up front, sport seats provide excellent lateral support, ideal for dynamic driving. The dashboard is finished in piano black trim with toggle switches and anthracite headliner, adding to the premium sporty character. The Napa leather steering wheel with multifunction controls and grey seam stitching is both tactile and practical. Paddle shifters are mounted for engaging manual gear changes. Behind it sits clear digital driver display. This vehicle comes with manual air conditioning, keeping the cabin comfortable and fresh on warmer days, an infotainment system with radio with sharp audio quality, as well as Bluetooth for calls and streaming, easy to follow satellite navigation with live updates, access to vehicle settings and driving information, sport displays with real-time performance metrics for enthusiasts, and vehicle status to keep on top of servicing and checks. The driver will additionally benefit from the feedback from the reversing camera and parking sensors. This has been a presentation of the Mini Hatch 2.0 John Cooper Works Steptronic. For more information, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.